Hello, class. Sorry that I cannot be here today. We are at a math meeting, but I put together this short little video to kind of summarize what we did yesterday and to kind of get you guys on the right foot before you start today's worksheet, which you can work on in small groups, and you should be able to complete by the end of class today. Yesterday we talked about interior and exterior angles of regular polygons. All right, what is a regular polygon again? Regular means all the sides and angles are the same. Okay, each of the angles is going to be the same, each of the sides is going to be the same. For example, a regular triangle is also known as an equilateral triangle. All the angles are 60 degrees. A regular quadrilateral is also known as a square in which all the angles are 90 degrees. Okay, now one of the things that we did yesterday is we talked about how to find the measure of one angle of a regular polygon. And we looked at polygons and tried to find the interior angle and the exterior angle, okay? Now, what was the formula to find the interior angle of a regular polygon? Very simply, n minus 2 times 180, and that gets you the total degrees, total of all the interior angles inside of a polygon. Then if you divide that by n, you will get the measure of one of the angles inside of a regular polygon. And n is simply the number of sides and the number of angles in the polygon, which is always the same. Okay? Going to the exterior ones, we talked about how all the exterior angles of a polygon add up to 360 degrees, regardless of how many sides there is in the polygon. Therefore, if you want to find the measure of one exterior angle inside of a regular polygon, you simply divide 360 by n. And that'll get you the measure of one of the exterior angles. It's as simple as that. And remember that the exterior angles are the angles on the outside of the polygon, and there's always the same number of exterior angles as interior angles. In both cases, in other words, your n is going to be the same. Okay? Now we'll do a problem up here, just an example. Let's say that we have we don't talk about nonagons a whole lot. Nonagons, 9 sides, right? So n equals 9. And let's go ahead and let's find the measure of one interior angle of a regular nonagon. All right? We'll start with the interior. We just put 9 in for n in both cases. So we get 9 minus 2 times 180 divided by 9. And I'm going to actually rewrite that in red because I'm not sure you can see that. So again, n is 9. I'm actually out of black markers. I'm going to have to purchase some more black markers because I only have red and blue, and I need black markers. 9 minus 2 is 7, and 7 times 180 divided by 9 would be your answer for the total degree of a, for one angle of a nonagon. You would just do 7 times 180 divided by 9. Well, 9 goes into 180 20 times, I can tell that. And then 20 times 7 is going to be 140. So we're looking at 140 degrees for one of the angles of a regular nonagon. And then the exterior angle, which I'm going to do over here, is simply going to be 360 divided by 9. And 360 divided by 9 is going to be 40. So 40 degrees for your exterior angle. Okay? And that just recaps the two formulas that we worked on yesterday. All right? Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great class today. Make sure to work on that worksheet, get that worksheet done by the end of class. Have a great rest of the day.